upload using Spreaker, and now the site really does need a lot of work in regards to accessibility, because the catch to this is I have to do this in Windows. I don't mind, but I wish that an alternative interface would be, well, created so that one can utilize the Mac and maybe a mobile browser or a tablet PC or something that they can use Spreaker on to make, video. Or they just don't want to use the Flash-based website for some unknown reason. So I'm hoping that I don't come up with the Adobe Flash Player update thingy. I've been coming up against that, and I ran midnight about 2 days ago. This being, let's see, what's today, the 29th? Yeah, the 29th of April of 2012. Whoops, I almost caused an accident just now. Alright, so, without further ado, let me mute my phone.
Empty list. Home. Speech off.
And let's go. I'm going to try my best to explain what I'm doing. I'm not going to slow down speech, because I just don't want to. But I will try and explain what I'm doing. So I'm using, I'm using NVDA, Windows 7, and hopefully the screen recording's coming out all right, in a virtual machine, so it's going to look a little odd. So we're going to run my favorite browser, Firefox, and I've typed in the address of the page, www.spreaker.com. And I'm logged in, so let's go to broadcast. And then I'm going to go to upload. Whoop. Oh, no. Oh, okay. Alright, now, there's going to be several options that you can do. And I always get stuck on the last part when you click Upload Podcast, because you have to wait for the file, and then, yeah, I get really stuck there because I keep forgetting whether to hit Enter or Route and left click. The thing I don't like is Firefox loses focus on the desktop when you do this, and I don't want to use Internet Explorer. I did it once with Firefox a few days ago. So, let's go. The first is going to be the episode name, and I'm going to type in a name. In the category will be music. Upload to. Okay, now that's the category thing that you can choose. Well, I think I will. So here's the fun part. Choose file. I'm going to hit NVDA plus Control plus F9, and then NVDA and left click. Maybe. Oh. I've never had that happen before. Let's actually start over, because I've never had that happen before. I've never had the window disappear like this before. Go to broadcast. Go to upload a podcast. And then I'm going to fill in everything but everything but upload the podcast right now. So, episode name. Music. More options. That's not where I want it. So I'm going to click the the episode chooser. I did not want to do that. Close that. And there looks to be no way to choose the episode. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see. I'm going to hit enter on this, and maybe the picker will show up just like on iOS. Or not. Okay. Okay, that works. And then the description. Oh. Shoot. I hope it kept the settings. That's what I thought. Okay. Oops. Alright, so what I'm going to do is pause the recording, I hope, and hope that I can come back. Alright, I'll be back. So I am back with the stuff filled in. And the fun part is going to be choosing a file. Whoops, those are tags. There's a description, I just pasted it. So, let's go to the embedded object, clickable thingy, and hitting enter does not work. I'm going to ignore that. So what you need to do is do a Control NVDA F9. I'm assuming it's routed, and a NVDA left arrow to left click. And normally the file thing should come up. And it didn't this time, so let me try again. This is the hardest part, actually, in the upload process because, well, as you can see, nothing is working. Let me bring up. Oh. Okay, so Shift NVDA. Come on. Let me turn off the word echo. Shift NVDA F9, and then left mouse button. There we go. There it is. There it is. Enter. And it's uploading. So it's going to take a while for it to finish uploading. But once it does start uploading, I'll try and continue the next set of steps. Actually, the final step. There's going to be a message saying that the show's been uploaded, and you can hit the upload button. And there's actually a link, not a button, so that needs to be fixed there. And yeah, so I'll be back. I am back. It's been about 20 minutes or so, maybe a bit more. The file was 24 megs big, MP3, of course. So let's check and see how we did. If NVDA will cooperate. Alright. Let's get out of the embeddable thing. Well, maybe. Come on. This is the part that I hate because you're stuck in the embeddable object thing. And yeah, so you're basically stuck for a very long time, and trying to get out of said object is not possible with NVDA, even hitting escape. So, it's like you're stuck until the podcast you're uploads, and at 1 Mbps it should not take that long to upload. About 24 megs of a file. I'm going to try Alt-tabbing out and back in. There we go. Sometimes that helps. Alright. Let's do the less options since I already filled those out. And let's first start by hitting enter on Upload Podcast. Let's take a look at the status line. Okay. Sometimes that works, and sometimes it does not. Ah, there we go. There we go. And there's a link. I can delete it. I can edit it if I wanted to. And there's a picture. Name and description. Manage episodes. Contacts. And I can delete this show if I want to, but I don't want to. So, there you go. That is how to upload using the Spreaker website. And it does need a lot of work. But I hope that someone got something out of this. I'm going to put Windows 7 into suspension. It's in big trouble. For those of you who were in elementary school, or maybe high school as well, you'll remember what suspension is. Also, a suspension is a musical term as well. I think I'm going to put it. I think I'm going to put it into a 4-3 suspension. Ha 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 ha. Yeah. So, any comments, questions, suggestions are more than welcome. And I hope that this has helped someone. Take care.